Hello friends, welcome to AI Blogs Post. Here's a step-by-step guide on how beginners can create animation videos using free AI tools. Step 1. Plan your animation. Before diving into tools, it's essential to have a clear idea of your video's concept. Consider the purpose of the video, e.g., educational, promotional, storytelling, basic script or storyboard outlining scenes, actions, and dialogues. Step 2. Choose a free AI animation tool. Several free tools help you create animations with AI assistance. Some popular options include Animaker has a free version with basic features. Powtoon offers a free plan with limited resources. RenderForest free for low-resolution outputs. Pictory.ai best for text-to-video conversion, but can assist in animation creation. Let's use Animaker as an example for this guide. Step 3. Sign up or use Google account and start a new project. Go to Animaker website, www.animaker.com. Sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Create New button. Choose Create an Animation and select a blank template or a pre-made one. For beginners, pre-made templates can save time. Add scenes. Start by adding scenes based on your storyboard. Each scene represents a portion of your animation. Select characters. Choose animated characters from the tools library. Many platforms offer a range of characters with customizable poses and actions. Add backgrounds. Browse through the library for animated or static backgrounds that fit your video's theme. Include props and icons. Add visual elements such as props, icons, or speech bubbles to enhance your scenes. Adjust timing. Set the duration of each scene and control when characters or objects enter or exit. Step 5. Add text, dialogues, or voiceover. Text. Use text to display information or dialogues. Most tools have text animations for smoother transitions. Voiceover. You can either record your voice or use text-to-speech features available in the tool. Adjust the sync with the animation by dragging the voiceover to the right scene on the timeline. Step 6. Animate your characters. Choose animation actions for each character, like walking, talking, or waving. Control movements with drag-and-drop features to place characters in different positions within the scenes. Step 7. Preview your animation. Once everything is set, click the preview button to watch your video. Make sure to check the smoothness of transitions, if text and voiceovers are synced, the timing of actions and scenes. Step 8. Export and download. After reviewing and making necessary adjustments, click on the Export button. Choose the free download option. Note that some tools may include a watermark on the free plan. Download your animation video in the format and resolution provided. Step 9. Share or upload. Now that your animation is ready, you can upload it to platforms like YouTube or share it on social media. Tips for beginners. Start simple. Use basic templates and short animations to get comfortable. Leverage AI. Some platforms use AI to auto-create scenes from text input, making the process faster. Experiment with free tools. Try different platforms to see which one works best for your needs.